Now I'm going to say this, because I can be the bigger man. And we have to say, big up to Beenie man, the former king.
So bad people, wagwan. Welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Vybz Kartel taking shots at Beenie Man, and we also have Masicka and Jahshii dissing Vybz Kartel live at Reggae Sumfest. Yeah man, we also have Buju Banton and Burna Boy. Yeah man, two separate topics we touch upon. So man, this update is an update that you do not want to miss. Big up on yourself, leave a subscribe, and make we jump right into it. So the entertainer Burna Boy was recently in an interview when they asked him about Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers make you hear what Burna Boy had to say. But first, remember, if you're new to over here, leave a subscribe and leave a like. Yeah man, big up my viewers and big up the subscribers. The door is always open to new viewers and subs.
Burna Boy and Jamaica, I mean, your love for it, your love for the music, your love for the culture. Talk to us about that.
It's always really been a part of me. It's always been there, you know, like from my dad playing Super Cat and stuff when I was a kid and stuff, you know, to me ending up in Brixton.
Little Jamaica.
You know, exactly. So it's like when everybody that I was that I had supposed to come out of Nigeria with is either in like school or in Peckham. You know, I ended up in Brixton, you know, so I considered myself like more Jamaican at the time because simply for the fact that everyone around me was Jamaican and Caribbean and stuff, and it was minimal Nigerians around me at the time.
So Burna Boy a show love to the island, you know what I mean? Big up the entertainer Burna Boy and doing that. Viewers and subscribers like always, and you can leave a take down below in the comments. Make we get right to the hot topics. So viewers and subscribers, when you don't know already, Vybz Kartel got crowned the king of dancehall last night at Reggae Sumfest. But the entertainer start to throw shades at Beenie Man, Jaja. Viewers and subscribers, even the fans them in the comments attack a bag of things about Beenie. Viewers and subscribers are be things go on. I'm gonna show you the clip and I'm gonna see what Vybz Kartel had to say to the entertainer.
Now I'm gonna say this, because I can be the bigger man. And we have to say, big up to Beenie man, the former king. But no. But big up to all of the legends that we set it. Bounty Killer. If I never you move to stand up on the stage, you know, because you believe in me.
One general.
So big up Bounty Killer. Big up Buju Banton and Ninja Man are my two biggest inspiration in the music. And then me hear and say, I want to do this. So all of the Gaza fans and the Cartel fans, Buju and Ninja me here as a little youth, and I said, no man, this I want to do. And see me there now. So big up on yourself. I'm here for the rest on the crowd now, because I dance on my rep for. Give me a rhythm there. Ready? What is that?
King. Because
no, not king.
yo, you are it.
At least him once was.
Yeah man, so we have Vybz Kartel at throw shades at Beenie Man, and you also have the comments on the screen. There's lots more comments out there with the fans them at throw Beenie. No joke. And on I don't know, say from day one, Beenie Man has been saying he's the king of dancehall. So since Vybz Kartel get the crown, we haven't heard or seen anything from Beenie Man. And you don't know how the Gaza fans them get to work. Them not gonna stop troll Beenie Man. No joke. Viewers and subscribers, the world boss at throw shades at Beenie Man pan Reggae Sumfest. Jaja. Now we have Jahshii and Masicka at this Vybz Kartel live at Reggae Sumfest. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, me hear Masicka make a talk and Masicka say, yo, him nah forward back at Reggae Sumfest. This is his last Reggae Sumfest performance. So me there I wonder what really go on make the genocide boss really say that. Then one of my G them send me the video and him show me where Masicka and Jahshii are this the world boss.
Here, I don't know what kind of boot that you have on. But me say them not bad like your shoes lace. Them say corner put out our corner go. Nobody, none of that. And Stonefest, it has a hard for the people. We have a hard of it. Me often hear that. One side, cross nation.
So Jahshii make Sumfest know say yo, them not bad like Masicka shoes lace. Them say crown a put out, where crown a go. Viewers and subscribers, that's a straight diss to the world boss. No joke. Cause you don't know say a Vybz Kartel get the crown at Reggae Sumfest. But the thing is, viewers and subscribers, me do not know where Massacre and Vybz Kartel have, because me they think say the two entertainer them good. Plus Jahshii and Vybz Kartel take picture together, you see me? But the thing is, no viewers and subscribers, they say dancehall is a game where not because I say two artists me a link today, you know mean say them a go link tomorrow. And at that me realize with dancehall, yeah man, the genocide camp and the Gaza camp fall out, because that's a straight diss to the world boss. Viewers and subscribers, leave the take down below, you see me? Yeah man, we don't know say Massacre are one of the baddest dancehall artists them right now if touch a stage. Yeah man, Massacre been a do it from day one, so nobody can take that from Massacre. But viewers and subscribers, leave the take down below. Massacre and Vybz Kartel fall out.
I don't know what kind of boot that you have. But me say them not bad like your shoes lace. Them say corner put out or corner go. Nobody, none of that. Hey. Want to tell you something? Me no want no boy come go line. Anything you see me with a buck up and fine. Me no want no boy come go line. Anything you own, I feel want fine. Full of craft, more craft. Bomba clad down.
So in the caption under the video, it says Buju Banton with the food there, make a go for, hashtag don't play with us. So big up to Buju Banton. Viewers and subscribers, the people them have it for say Buju Banton buy a brand new private jet. So big up the entertainer. I don't know how true it is, but big up Buju Banton. Same way. Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, if you're new to over here, leave a subscribe and leave a like. Yeah man, feel free to comment upon any of the video that want me touch upon. Big up on yourself and catch you in another one.